video, I'll show you how to make some DIY party supplies and DIY party decoration. So let's get started.
Take 2 long strips of paper and stick them together like this. Fold it as shown. Apply glue at the end of the paper and stick it. Stick it like this to form a star flower. Make some more like this. Insert a woolen thread into the flowers using a needle as shown. Take an A4 sheet and fold it like this. Secure the end using glue. Now from the bottom of the paper, fold the paper using a width of 3 fingers. Next, fold it like this. And then glue the ends. Fold it from the sides also. Now push the folded sides inwards. Now put your gift inside and fold it like this to form a zigzag pattern. Now hold it in the middle and pull the sides upwards to form a bow. Secure it with tape and your gift bag is ready. Take a tissue paper and fold it as shown. Cut it in the middle and put the other side on top of the first one. Staple it in between. Next, trim the edges round. Open all the folds of the tissue to form a flower. And it's ready. Take some papers and fold them together like this. Trim the edges into a triangle like this. Also cut out a small triangle in the middle to form a design on the paper. Stick all the papers together.
So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.
Subscribe to my channel for latest updates on new videos. If you liked this video, then please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.